Today, you're going to learn everything you need to know about how to do a squat to overhead press, sometimes called thrusters, because you're thrusting or pushing the weight up above your head. So let's talk about how to do this movement. We do want to start with our squat form. Our feet are hip distance or hip width apart. We are sitting our hips back into that imaginary chair or that bench that's behind us. And we're also rolling our shoulders back to make sure that our posture is in check. At this point, we want to go ahead and grab our weights, bring them to our shoulders. As we go down into that squat, we want to think about a pull and push movement. Pull down, push up. You want those arms to get as close as you can towards your ears. So you should be here as you bring your arms up. Let's do 2 reps together. And rest. One thing you want to be mindful of when you do a squat to overhead press or a thruster is to make sure you're not yanking your weights. So as you bring your weights up, I'm gonna just use this arm. As you're bringing it up, don't do this. You want to use control. That's how the muscles are part of how the muscles build. You need to learn how to control your movements. So we are squeezing our arms by our ears, bringing our elbows back down. Notice my elbows are facing you, okay? So that is how you do your dumbbell squat to press or thruster, and I'll see you on the next workout.